Hello everyone. Now we will discuss about the breathing process in animals. So the organs that carry out exchange of gases as we breathe are called respiratory organs. So what are respiratory organs? The organs that carry out exchange of gases. All the animals breathe in oxygen to survive. Oxygen helps to change digested food into energy. During this process, carbon dioxide is released. Some carbon dioxide gas is not needed by since carbon dioxide gas is not needed by the body, it is breathed out or exhaled. So different animals breathe in different ways. Land animals directly breathe in or inhale oxygen present in atmosphere, but aquatic animals breathe in oxygen dissolved in water. Now we will discuss different types of breathing habits in different animals. Now first we will discuss about breathing in insects. Most insects breathe passively through special openings on their bodies called spiracles. The air reaches inside the body by a series of smaller pipes called trachea. So, breathing organs in insects are spiracles and trachea, which is help them in movement of oxygen. Now, breathing in fish. Fish breathe through gills. Gills enable them to breathe underwater. A fish breathes by taking water into its mouth and forcing it out through gills passes. As the water passes over the thin wall of gills, dissolved oxygen move into the blood and travel to the different organs of the fish. Now, breathing in amphibians. Amphibians can live in water as well as on land. Adult amphibians can breathe through lungs and their skin, whereas the babies live in water and breathe through gills. So, in amphibians, gills and lungs are breathing animals. Now, breathing in reptiles. A lot of reptiles live on land, but some of them also live in water. They breathe through lungs. Crocodiles live in water, but they don't have gills, so they breathe by raising their heads above the surface of water. So, breathing organs of reptiles is lungs. Now, breathing in birds. Birds breathe through lungs. They have small holes known as nares on both sides of their beaks to inhale air. So, breathing organs in birds are nares. Now, last one is breathing in mammals. As we are mammals, we have nose to breathe, and a pair of lungs is their respiratory organ. Water mammal like whale and dolphin also possesses a pair of lungs, so they cannot breathe underwater and have to come up the surface to breathe. Instead of nostrils, they have blowholes for breathing. When they breathe in, oxygen from the air enters their body through a blowhole. When they breathe out, carbon dioxide leaves the body through the blowhole along with water. So, children, these all were about breathing in animals. So, different animals have different breathing organs. In next video we will discuss about feeding habits in animals. Okay, thank you.